We now provide you with an outstanding way to leverage your assets that are currently in your 401k and IRA and invest a portion of your retirement funding into your business. In less than 3 weeks, you can gain more control over the performance of your retirement plan assets and get the business working capital you need for business growth. With our 401k financing, you can optimize your business equity and improve your cash flow. You will work with a specialized consultant who helps set up your 401k financing and help you structure your business properly for the maximum benefit. All you need to qualify is an existing 401k or IRA. With this, you can be approved for 401k financing in less than 3 weeks, and you will not incur any penalties toward your 401k or IRA for the rollover. This is a safe, proven plan based on long-standing provisions of the Internal Revenue Service. Your own specialized consultant will help you form your new corporation if you are not incorporated yet. They will then help you create a new 401k plan for your corporation. Your consultants will then help you roll over your funds from your old 401k or IRA to your new 401k plan. Finally, your new 401k plan invests in your corporation, and you are debt-free and cash rich. If you have a 401k now and want to start a new business or invest in your existing business, contact us today. You can be approved for 401k financing and have access to money in 3 weeks or less.